throw it on the ground.
Throw it on the ground. Okay.
Throw it on the ground. Oh!
Why do you want me to throw a monkey on the ground?
And the big one.
It's indestructible.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah, take one. Take one.
What are these monkeys doing? Bro, why are you giving me monkeys?
Break it. You think you can break it?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Oh! Wait, I actually did break it. What is this? Damn, now I made a huge mess now. Damn, you ain't telling me it can actually break? I thought it was indestructible. All right, bro. Thank you, man.
Have a great day, right?
I thought it was indestructible, but I guess it's not indestructible.